What's up, everybody? Max at Zima Automotive, back again talking about brakes. I know we've talked about brakes this whole month, but don't worry, we'll be stopping soon. So, wanted to talk about just replacing pads. In the industry, it might be known as pad slapping. So when we're talking about a brake system with pads and rotors, that is a question we get a lot. Can we just put pads on, or do we have to replace the rotors as well? And the answer is technically, yes, you could put just pads on, but the quality of the brake job will not be anywhere near where it has to be. Reason being is you have two different types of metals. The pads are a lot softer metal and the rotor is a lot harder metal. And when they are both virgin metals, meaning they haven't been used before, they actually mate together with heat. And when they do that, the pair lasts much longer. We're talking 60 to 85,000 miles. When you take a rotor that's already been hardened from heat in an old one, and then you take a new set of soft metal pads and put them on there, they may last and it will stop you, but you're gonna get all kinds of noises. You're gonna get squeals, hums, all different types of noises, vibration from that. They usually only last like 10, 20,000 miles before you start having issues, and then you gotta go back in there and do it again. You're not really saving much with labor because most of that has to come off anyways, and so with just a little couple extra steps, we're replacing the rotors as well, and you're getting a much higher quality brake job that you're not going to have an issue with. And remember, with brakes, it's not always just about how much pad life is left or the condition of the rotor, but we have to be able to push the heat away, right? Because we're building up so much heat in these rotors and pads when we're stopping. You know, we're stopping anywhere from a 4,000 to a, you know, we go up to trucks might be 8 to 10,000 pounds. You're stopping all that weight from 70 miles an hour down. That builds a lot of friction and causes a lot of heat. And when those rotors start getting old, they're not going to dispensate the heat like they should, and therefore that's going to affect your braking distance. So we always replace the pads and rotors together. Brand new parts, we don't machine them, we put new ones on, so you get a full warranty with them. A 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty, parts and labor nationwide on any brakes that we do here. And that's to make sure that you're protected, your family's protected, and that you're going to get the highest quality job possible at Zima Automotive. So I hope that helped answer the question of why can't I just put brake pads on my car? Answer is because we like to do things at a much higher quality level than just throwing pads on a car. So hope you liked that video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll be coming at you with more videos, and we'll see you soon. Hey everybody, thanks for watching that video. Don't forget to click and subscribe to this channel to get more information, or click over here and watch our next video.